Hi guys, so it's me again, Teacher Jem. So today, gagawa tayo ng video about cousin. Magkakatikot tayo ng cousin. So this is a quick tutorial on how to use or what are the parts ng cousin na magagamit natin sa ating class. So let me share my screen with you. Okay, so this one. Yeah. Okay. So as you can see here, okay, i-open natin yung Facin. Yan, of course, we need to log in. Okay, ayan. So let's go to Blackboard. Okay, ayan. Ito na. Alright, so here, okay, first things first. Okay, so meron tayo dito. Okay, I need a pen. Okay, ito. Itong part na to, microphone. Okay, so you can choose here, okay, whichever kind of microphone do you want to use, whether yung microphone ng iyong device or whether your headset or if you have a mouthpiece, okay? So also here, aside from microphone, we also have speaker, right? May mga teachers na hindi komportable na magsuot ng headset or sometimes they don't have a headset. But again, even though some teachers are not comfortable wearing their headphones or headsets, ano to, essential ito. Kailangan ito. Nire-required ito ng ibang company. Kailangan talaga siya. Excuse me. So here I am using InPlay. Okay. InPlay HN620 version 2. Actually, maganda to. Magandang klase ito. Napakaganda ng recording niya. But, ang down part lang nito, I think, is itong part na to. Medyo hindi ko siya typed. Bago ako nagkaroon nitong InPlay HN620 version 2, ang una kong ginamit ay version 1. Actually, nagamit ko siya for 3 years. Bumigay lang talaga siya. So, ayun. And then, mas maganda talaga yung quality ng voice noon. This one, ano din siya, nagka-cost siya ng 500 plus to 600. Mas mura siya sa online shoppings. Alright, so let's go back in here. Ayan, so we have the microphone and also the speaker. So settings, dito mo rin siya pwedeng pindutin. So pwede mong i-disable. Okay, so you can choose here. Virtual background. Okay. So, hindi ko kasi pwedeng gamitin yung camera ni Class In ngayon kasi ang gamit ko ay camera ni Zoom. So, dito pwede ka rin mag-check ng background or you can use backgrounds here. Okay, hindi mo na kailangan pang mag-download ng third-party na application like Manycam or whatsoever. Here, meron na siyang free. Okay, and also you can upload your background. Okay, so video. Ayan, kung anong gusto mong camera gamitin, whether yung device ng iyong computer or laptop, or kung may binili kang ibang camera, you can set here. Classroom mode, okay, so standard na talaga siya. Ayan lang naman ang settings nun. So, classroom background, eto yan, oh. Ito. So, yan. Kung gusto mo, gumamit ng ganito. Again, you can upload your own background as long as it's less than 1 M. Okay, so here. Yeah. So you can choose whichever or whatever you like. Okay, so we are done with this part. Now let's go here. So camera. Yun lang naman siya. Again, you can choose what camera do you want to use. You can also disable it here. Okay, again, pag pinindot mo pa rin yung drop down or yung settings, ganun pa rin ang lalabas. So we have the general, the video, the audio, the virtual background, the classroom background. This is a shortcut. Okay, now this part. Okay, this part. Okay, ito yung kapag i-record mo yung class. Of course, some companies required teachers to record their class. Ano rin to, sa purpose din or sa safety ng dalawang end. Okay, para din kapag may complaint yung magulang, at least merong copy ng video si teacher na ito po ang nangyari, ganito, ganyan. Alright, so next one. Again, dito tayo. Sa square na ito. Okay, let me delete it first. Okay, anong meron dito? So, ito ay ganun pa rin. So, classroom layout. Okay? So, dito sa classroom layout, okay, as you can see here, I have here a custom template. So, custom template, ako na mismo gumawa nito. So, ito yan, oh. Idodraw ko na lang. So, kung nakita nyo, merong tatlong parts doon. So, let me draw. Let me draw. Okay. So, eto yon. Isa pa dito, isa pa dito. Actually, apat yun eh. And isa ditong maliit. Napakaliit lang nung isa, kaya hindi siya masyadong visible. So, here in classroom layout, okay, kapag nagkaklase ka sa class in, of course, we are talking about class in, okay, kasi most of the time, di ba nandito ang picture ni student, nandito ang picture, ang video ni teacher, sorry, video. And then, nandito sa buong ito ang book. Okay? But, here in our classroom layout, again, it depends on the company. So, may mga company na nagre-require sila na i-follow mo yung classroom layout. So, in my classroom layout, okay, so hindi ko na ginagamit ito. So, di ba dapat nandito yung video ng student and teacher? Okay, here, sa ginagamit ko ngayon, ang dito ang video ni student. Okay, still, andito ang video ni teacher. Oh, yeah. And andito ang aking books or material. Okay, and then kapag may audio, dito ko siya nilalagay. Okay, siguro ibang video naman ang gagawin ko dito. Maglalagay ako, excuse me, maglalagay ako ng sample video on how kung anong itsura niya kapag nasa mismong class na. Okay? So, again, this is classroom layout. So, kapag nagka-class, nandito ang video ni student, ni teacher, nandito ang audio, nandito ang material. So, lahat nandito sa part na ito, sa baba. And, hindi na natin gagamitin to. But it depends on your preference. Sorry, medyo clog ang nose ko. Excuse me. Alright. So, okay, let me clear the screen. Ang dali lang, diba? Oh, isang pindot lang. Okay. Now, let's go sa part na ito. Okay. Ngayon, ang gagamitin ko na siguro, ay, okay, sige, ito na. Ito, cursor lang ito. Course cursor or arrow. Okay? Ito yan. Itong part na ito. Okay, next one. Box select. Okay, so sa box select, pwede mong i-select yan. Lahat ng laman. And then, pag na-box select mo na siya, pwede mo siyang i-copy. And then, i-paste mo. But now, I am going to delete it. Okay, so backspace. And then, of course, we also have here our pen. Okay, this one. Pen yan. Napaka basic lang. So, you can choose color, whatever, or whichever, or kung anong gusto mo. You can also have here lines, other shapes, oval, circle, it's up to you. We also have square, rectangle. So, ikaw na bahala. So, if you need to box something, again, use that. Excuse me. Again, okay. Now, we have our eraser. Okay, eraser. Syempre, pambura pag nagkamali. And then, we also have text tool. Text tool, okay, pwede tayo mag-type dyan. So, you can choose also how big. Okay? And then the color. Excuse me. All right. Now we also have here screenshot. Okay, screenshot. So you can screenshot and then you can send it as a message. Ganon. Sa student. Um, Screenshot without classroom window. Upload image from QR code and upload images. Okay, so upload images. Ayan. Pwede kang maglagay ng picture. Okay, for example, okay, I don't have an example here. Ito na lang. Okay, so ayan. So simply, you can upload kung anumang text materials ang gusto mong gamitin. Okay. O kung may gusto kang ipakita kay student. Next one. Hmm. Okay. So ano ba itong bilog na to? Okay, so this is a pointer. Okay. Pointer. So ano yan eh? Ba't tayo gumana? Got it. Okay, let's... Got it. Okay, so pointer siya, nakikita yun ni student. Ayaw lang gumana ngayon. Okay, so ito naman tayo sa cloud. Itong cloud. So sa cloud, dun mo i-upload yung mga materials or books na ginagamit mo. So simple as choose your materials and then it will open like that. Voila. Okay, so teacher Jam's class. Okay, vocabulary phrases. Okay, next one. We also have here itong parang bag, toolbox siya. So you can also open your file using this box. Okay, save and share. Okay, save and share. Yan. Pwede kang yan. Yung sa screenshot kanina, okay, pwede mo siyang screenshot and dito mo siya makikita and pwede mo ring i-share. Ganun. Desktop sharing. Okay, same sa Zoom. Okay, you just have to choose whatever you want to share with your student. Okay. Next one. Dice. Actually, ito, kapag ka yung materials ay may mga games like that, you can use this dice. Excuse? Alright? So, ganyan lang siya. Okay, kasi kagaya ng Oxford Discover, I think may game siya. And then you have to use a dice. Of course, ang hirap naman sa part kapag magkalayo si teacher and si student. Diba? Kailangan naman mag-dice ka pa. So, ito, napaka-convenient. Yeah. Next one, Paul. Okay? So, they can choose whichever answers. Okay, for example, A, B, C, or D. Okay? So, for example, gumawa ka dito ng ano. Saan nakatira si Jose Rizal? Of course, it's up to you. Again, halimbawa lang may question. And it's answerable by A, B, C, or D, or multiple choices. They can, or you can use it. Mm. Next one, stopwatch. Okay, actually, gamit na gamit itong stopwatch kapag IELTS speaking. Yan. Also, we have sketchboard. Okay. This one, sketchboard. Actually, this is sa part ni teacher. Parang ito yung pag nagmi-minute ka. Okay, hindi naman ito makikita ni student unless i-share mo sa kanila. Ganun din sa may text part nitong sketchboard, sorry. So type-type ka lang dyan. And then click handout if gusto mo nang makita siya ni student. Okay? So, kung hindi mo siya i-handout, hindi siya makikita ni student. Okay, so, yan. Okay, so timer. Ayan, ginagamit din ito mostly kung it depends on how you use it. Okay, and marami pang iba. Screen mirroring, meron din tayo. Buzzer, okay, kapag time's up na. But, okay, dito sa stopwatch and sa timer, tumutunog din naman yan. Randomizer, okay, so kung marami kang students, okay, so para siyang yung nagre-reshuffle ka ng index card. Tapos magka-call out ka ng student. So, yun yun. Breakout room, okay, kung halimbawa is group class kayo or kahit kayong dalawa lang, tapos magkakaroon kayo ng break. Okay, collaboration. Okay, so ganun din ito. Okay? So, pwede mo siyang i-handout kay student, like that. And student can also type here. So, yon, pwedeng kayong dalawa. Next one, okay, nagmamadali na tayo. Award list. Okay, so kapag may awards kang binibigay kay student, actually, kapag nagka-class na, okay, so as I've said kanina, andito ang video ni teacher, andito ang video ni student, and andito yung book. So, dito kay student, okay, meron ditong parang trophy, or dito, hindi ko nakalimutan ko na kung saan siya banda pinipindot. Pero, yon, pag magbibigay ka ng award kay student. So, browser, okay, actually, gamit na gamit ko to kapag kailangan ko mag-translate. So, halimbawa, Vietnamese ang aking student or Chinese. So, simple as like that. Actually, enter a URL. Kailangan ko munang pumunta sa Google Chrome or kung anumang browser na meron ako. And then, I will copy it here. Tsaka lang siya magtutuloy-tuloy. So, you can also, instead of sharing screen, kung mag-YouTube ka lang naman, you can use this browser. Dito ka na lang. So, mas convenient din siya. And then, share audio. Pwede ka ring magsulat. Unlike kapag mag-share screen ka, iba din yung buttons na meron doon sa baba. Okay, next one. Oh, sorry. Balik tayo dito sa toolbox. Physics experiment. Okay, science classes. Actually, hindi naman to gaano nagagamit. Lalo kapag ka mga ESL unless, okay, may ni-request a student. Okay, so hindi ko na mai-open. Hindi ko na siya i-discuss. All right, let's continue. Okay, kung may physics tayo, may chemistry din. And also, we have our teaching material library. Okay, so ayan. So, mathematics. Yeah. Additional lang naman ito. Mostly, hindi ito nagagamit. Okay, but you can use it. All right? It's available here and it's free. Okay, secondary camera. Okay. So, hindi ko pa siya na-try gamitin kasi bukod sa may camera na ang aking laptop, meron pa akong spare na camera. And also, I also install a third party para kung sakaling magka-problema man yun both, I can use my cell phone as a webcam. Okay. Okay. So, remote desktop. Okay, hindi ito nagagamit kasi ang hirap kumuha ng domain or IP kung taga China pa or ibang bansa. So, hindi siya nagagamit. Okay, laser point. Ayan siya. Ayan, oh. Pero, hindi rin naman siya gaano nagagamit kasi may cursor naman tayo. Okay, sinisipon ako. Okay. Video gallery. Okay, so, hindi ko na tayo open. Okay. And go board. Okay. So, laro ito. Ito yung, nakalimutan ko yung tawag dito. But I forgot. Sikat ito sa China. Also sa Korea. Ayan, para siyang sungka. No, iba yung sungka, pero sikat din dito sa Philippines. Parang ganun din yun sa kanila. Okay, right. So, go board, ruler. Okay, if you are going to study angles, okay, napakadali. You can also copy from Google and then paste it here. Sobrang accessible. Okay, geometry. Okay, again, shapes like that, etc., etc. Okay, let's make a box select and let's delete it. Okay, yun lang ang laman ng toolbox. Napakarami. Okay, so sa message. So chat, pwede ka mag-chat dito. Okay, ano ba ito? Oh, okay. So kapag ito, pinindot mo pala, itong part na ito, okay, di ba kapag naka-record ka, okay, naka-record ang class mo using this one, Okay, kapag ka pinindot mo itong part na to, hindi ito makikita sa record. Okay. So, yan. So, balik tayo sa chat. Okay, may emojis then, screenshot. Again, if I will screenshot this one. Oh, sorry. Okay, yan. Tapos i-check ko. Andito na siya sa message, so I can send it to my student. Okay? All right. Okay. So this one, student. So on stage, authorize. Sino yung mga ino-authorize mo to write? Again, okay. So, dahil may authorize dito, nabanggit na rin naman si authorize, let me draw the boxes again. So, dito si student, dito si teacher, okay. My button here, or dito yata, I already forgot. Okay, so, may i-click ka doon para ma-authorize mo si student na magsulat sa board. Okay. So, sometimes, or most of the time, ino-off ko siya kasi may makukulit na estudyante na susulatan niya talaga lahat ng board. So, ino-off yun. Pwedeng i-off. Mute. Pwede mong i-mute. Okay, so mic, camera, rewards, hands up, remove devices. Okay. So, here makikita mo rin kung anong device ang gamit ni student. Kung bakit parang hirap na hirap siya or hindi siya makapag-navigate or makapagsulat. Kasi may ganong estudyante. Tapos, ang gamit lang pala niya ay iPad or tablet na wala talaga nung option para magsulat. So, yun. So, sometimes they cannot explain it to you. So, tingin-tingin na lang para magkaintindihan kayo. Alright, so, okay, on stage when hands is up. So, sometimes kiniklik ito ni student or ni teacher kasi may lalabas dito na ganyan eh. Ayan, yung parang nagtataas ng kamay. To call out someone's attention, okay, para makakuha ka ng attention. Ganun. So, okay. So, yun yung sa mismong, oh, sorry. Yun yung sa mismong class in part. Okay. However, okay. Meron pa tayong ibang video na i-upload soon. Okay. Kung paano naman makita yung classroom feedback, yung mga highlights ng classroom na automatically nasa-save ni class. Marami talagang feature si ClassIn. It's just medyo naku-culture shock yung iba kasi hindi sila sanay pa. Ganun naman talaga. Though kasi si Zoom ay sobrang accessible at sobrang daling gamitin. Okay, kaso nga lang, may kulang din naman si Zoom. Dito kay ClassIn, medyo nasa kanya na ang lahat. Okay, may bayad nga lang. Syempre, of course. Okay, if the price is right. Like that. So, that's all for today. And I hope may natutunan kayo sa video na ito. Okay, so, yan lamang po. Okay, thank you and God bless. Bye-bye.